Liana, why you look so tired and not in the right mood? Did something happen in your class today?
Shaz, my report was rejected by the lecturer because it did not follow the prescribed format. Look at this. Do you have any way to make a more perfect report?
I think you came at the right time. I have some ideas. So today I will teach you the right way to make reports. So then you don't even have to worry about it again.
Okay, let's follow your idea.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is liyana binti. My metric number is 10D8019F1012.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazrena binti maullod. My matrix number is 10D1819F1005. Today, I will tell you about the latest assignment from us related to process, procedure, and instruction. We choose to present how to make the report more perfect in the right way. Let's start. First step, of course, you need to have these apps, which is Microsoft Words. You need to make sure you have the latest Microsoft Word. This is to make it easier for you to follow step that I will show you. Otherwise, the step will be different and not the same. Next, you need to select a blank document to make it easier for you to start the report. Okay, so if you can follow this step, let's move to the next step. Well, the second step is you need to create a table of content regularly. For general knowledge, this table of content is all the content contained in your report. This is to make it easier for your lecturer to check the position of your report. Okay, you need to sort using the correct heading for each major heading and subheading. Alright, the diagram on this side shows how to arrange the heading to be more organized. So now you will find your report more organized, right? Are you still following me? So if you still following me, we will move to the next step, which is margin. Okay, you must be ignorant about this, right? So, your main purpose of setting margin is to make your report more organized and easier to read. Usually, the lecturer will set the margin in the format. This margin should be set in advance at the beginning of the report. This is to avoid this disruption. Okay, in this next step, you need to be more careful. This is because if you are not careful, your report will be uneven and bad. This step is justify. This is an important step in preparing a report. This is because if you do not set each paragraph in a justified state, this will ruin your lecture mood and they will give you a bad marks. Next, as its common knowledge, basic spacing is 1.5. The purpose is to ensure the distance between each line and show the writing condition more neatly. If you do not set this spacing, your writing will be attached to each line and this will make your report unstructured. This will reduce the word score of your report. Do you want this little reason to be a pass of your marks?
Step 6 is you just need to click the small arrow at the paragraph section. Then you need to set the before and after column with suitable spacing in the setting, which is 12 pt. For example, the upper paragraph you set after column with 12 pt, and the bottom paragraph you set before column with 12 pt or 24 pt. This is example paragraph after spacing is made. The next step is if we want to insert pictures, please do not wrap the pictures unless necessary to wrap. If we wrap the pictures, will move freely when we making an adjustment. The pictures will run or not to be in the proper position. You just have to make it stay in line we stack only. As you can see beside me, this is the example for the stack. Next, you want to go to the next page? Don't try to press the enter many times because if we open the paragraph mark at the top, it will make us know who pressed enter many times. So you just need to use page break to isolate the page. The step is control and enter button are pressed together on your keyboard, laptop keyboard. Step 9. This is for indent setting for make it easier. Don't press the tab button several times. Tabs should not be pressed many times because this tab has a way with one press, he continues to middle, right, or any distance. You just need to make sure the small arrow on the paragraph tab is pressed on and you focus on the indentation section. For before text is set to indent all lines and special it just to set the indent for first line only. The last step is you just need to set all the shape in the single group. When we not group the shape in a single mode and later we are adjusting the page shape, it will be sketch red position. You just need to make sure the shape is double click, then automatically we enter in the shape format section like these pictures. We focus at the group section and click the group mark. So that will be in a big box or we call the single mode.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye. See you next time in our next video.